Namaste, myself Dr. Samya Hullanavar. I'm a Chief Consultant at Elite Ayurveda. I'm over here today to talk on a topic, hair loss and your home remedies. So hair loss is a very common issue most of the people experience in their lifetime. Especially when it comes to ladies, they are very conscious, so they'll start observing, and they are also good observants. So they'll also start home remedies immediately as soon as they start seeing the fall more. Like for example, what is more, it depends on an individual. Sometimes some individuals since the childhood, they could be seeing like 50-60 strands per day, and their thickness has been very good. So then they don't mind about 50-60 strands. There are some people who will be worried if they start losing maybe 20-30 strands, and they'll be like panic, okay, because they have been losing only 10-15 strands a day. But on an average, a female can lose up to 50 strands per day, maybe till the age of 35 years is pretty normal. Then you will not lose any of your density. So the topic today is, many does ask me, doctor, can I just continue with the home remedies, or it's really helping me or not? Some people are so confused whether we should try the home remedies first, or we have to go and meet a doctor. So I'll just give you an idea when to try home remedies and how long to try and how to understand whether that's helping you or not. See, most of the time home remedies is like, it's not targeted to the core reason. Like if this is your scalp, you are not reaching anywhere the roots. So you are trying to do whatever is possible on the scalp. For example, applying an onion juice, or maybe applying a hibiscus paste, or maybe a neem wash. There are many things. Some people does try with the ginger juice. There are many applications. So these are the home remedies. So if at all, when I'll start with when to try the home remedies. First thing is, whenever you have shifted a place, or let's say you had been to a trip maybe for 10 days or 15 days, once you are back from the trip, you started losing because there was a water change. Yes, then you can try with the home remedies. Like shifting of a place from one weather to the another weather, then your body need some time to get adjusted to that. Then also you can try with the home remedies. If at all you have been under a very severe stress, but now you are out of stress, but still the fall has already begun, then also sometimes the home remedies could help you. But if the stress is still being continued, then home remedies will not help you. So these are the few causative factors, or these are the few situations where you can use the home remedies. So how long to use it? I would say any home remedies need minimum 15 days to act on your scalp. Like if you try in a 15 days, like in a week, if you are trying 2 to 3 times, that's minimum times you have to do it, the frequency. Weekly 2 to 3 times you have to repeat whatever the paste or whatever the applications you are trying on the scalp. You just have to be careful, like that depends on your body. Sometimes some people apply maybe a henna or a hibiscus, or a methi grinded paste and all. You may catch cold as well. So you should be aware of the consequences. Sometimes it's not a side effects, but yes, your body tends to get cool faster when you apply anything on the scalp. Some people will feel like if you apply ginger juice or maybe onion juice, some people also get an allergy kind of, blisters, a small pimple kind will rise on your scalp. Maybe some irritation, itching would also be there. So you have to be aware of your body response, and accordingly you have to go with the home remedies. So how long to practice is 15 days is the minimum duration you have to give it to your body. If at all, if there is no change at all, let's say like at least 20% of the reduction should happen in your hair fall, then yes, then that particular home remedy is helping you, and you can continue up to 3 months. So if at all, if you start, like if you ask me, doctor, if I continue after 3 months also, what happens? It could be a saturation, and yes, it may not be a harm until and unless you really had any kind of a irritation with that particular home remedy, whatever you are doing. But let's say like you have been trying for 15 days or 1 month, still you have to observe 2 things. One is the hair fall is not reducing, or it is being the constant mode, and second thing is, in spite of doing these things, the hair fall is increasing. Then that is a call for you, or that is a visual for you to go and meet up a doctor, because that is more than a change or a change in your climate, or maybe a water, or maybe a pollution, or maybe simple dandruff issues. Yes, there is some other causative factor which is actually harming your hair follicle. If you start continuing more than 1 month, still you are losing and your hair fall is increasing, then you are at the verge of losing a density, or there could be a permanent damage also for your hair follicles. So hope you have got an idea on the home remedies. Keep watching my other videos on hair loss. Thank you.